It's a long, long journey till I know where I'm supposed to be. It's a long, long journey, and I don't know if I can believe when shadows fall and block my eyes. I am lost and know that I must hide. It's a long, long journey till I find my way home to you. Many days I spent drifting on through empty shores, wondering what's my purpose, wondering how to make me strong. I know I will falter, I know I will cry, I know you'll be standing by my side. It's a long, long journey, and I need to be close to you. Sometimes it feels no one understands. I don't even know why I do the things I do. When pride builds me up till I can't see my soul, will you break down these walls and pull me through? 'Cause it's a long, long journey till I feel that I am worth the price you paid for me on Calvary. Beneath those stormy skies, when Satan mocks and friends turn to false, it feels like everything